Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the video. So your game has a new update and you just tap on update and nothing happens. So you are stuck on waiting, stuck on loading or just freezes. So if your games are not updating on iPhone, this video will fix it. So let's get started. So when you see that when you're just going to the section of an app store and here just going to the section of account and just going to apps and here you see the update option and when you just tap on update it's stuck on the loading so and it's gonna freeze. So how you can fix that? Simply just follow the steps to fix that issue. Just going to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and also make sure that VPN is not connected and also make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection to immediately update and fast update of the game. If it's not working you just have to just check and the thing is you just restart your iPhone, just press the power button and the volume up button and just restart your iPhone. After 30 seconds just restart your iPhone again. So the other thing is that you just have to just check your iPhone storage. So if you try to update and it's not updating, so maybe you iPhone don't have enough storage. So just going to iPhone storage and see there if you have enough storage of 20 to 30 GB space in your iPhone, be iPad. So just like that I have enough storage in your iPhone, so that's why my game update gonna done. If in your case if not done because you have not have enough storage in your iPhone, so that's why you just remove the unwanted apps and files from your iPhone to free up space in your iPhone. So the other thing is that just go to the app store and just going to section of a app and just try to again. After just like that tap on update and check that it work or not. If it's work that's good, but if it's not working and it did not resume your update, so just for all the other thing is that just go back and just sign out of your Apple ID from your app store and again sign in. After sign in again just have to just do the other thing is that just going to again restart your iPhone and just after restarting your iPhone you're just going to section of a setting and just going to software update and just update to the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So after updating your iOS, just the other thing is that just going to the section of a channel again and just scroll it down and see the option of a transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from there. After that, just go back and check that if it's working or not. So just go back and it's going to App Store and it's going to the apps and so randomly check that. I'm gonna check it if it's working or not. So I'm gonna scroll it down and just find some app which we need an update. So it's not showing any update on my section. So if you're showing it just like that YouTube, so I'm gonna tap on update and check that if it's working. So it's loading on the section, so just wait. It's not resume, it's not pause, it's a loading. Just like that they're gonna verify my ID and after verifying my ID that gonna update, so it's mean it's working. So that's the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel for the more videos like